So, how 95% of beginners musicians play the major scale. Regardless of the number of octaves, they will play it from C to C. This is true, but there is no musicality in this, and we need each exercise to be as musical as possible. How can this be achieved? Everything is very simple. If it's a one-octave scale, then you need to play the scale from C to D and back. Why? The thing is, we need an even number of notes per bar. If these are eighth notes, then we need 8 notes in a measure, and if the notes are 16th, then these notes should be 16. But there are 7 notes in the scale. That is why we need to add another note and go back. Then, in the first beat of the next measure, we will again play the note do and thus begin the repetition of the cycle zone. If we play a 2-octave scale, then we will need to add 2 notes. These are the notes Re and Mi. So you end up with a 4-bar cycle if you play 8th notes, and a 2-bar cycle if you play 16th notes. Similarly, scales consisting of 7 notes should be played. Try this method of playing scales and it will greatly increase your skill. And remember, patience will make you successful. Bye.